Hi, my name is David Yuan. This is my term project. So the term project that I'm demonstrating right now is Go. It's a pretty well-known game, and I wrote two versions of this code. One version is local. So if, for example, you want to play with a friend on the same computer, you could just run this file Go local, and it would pull up this game. Alright, so this is the start screen. You can click the instructions to see, press U to undo a move, P to pass your turn, click to play a piece, R to reset the game, and I, if you forget the instructions again, you can pull it up again. So now, when you click play, this will bring you to the board. It starts as black's turn because that's just how Go works. So when the player clicks on a corner, you can play a piece. So it's pretty easy to play moves. And let's say white decides he doesn't want to go there. You can press U. This text box comes up. You can use that to undo the move. If the players decide they want to restart the game, they can just press R to start it over. And let's say at this point white decides that there's no other moves to be played. You can just press P to pass the turn. So let me pull up a previous game to show what happens at the end of a game. So let's say at this point both white and black decide that the game's over, that they want to end the game. So what happens is when both of them pass the turn, that's what triggers the end of the game. So first, the players get the opportunity to click to remove all the dead stones to clear up the board a little. So like these two are in black's territory, so you can get rid of those. Like these are in white's territory, so they can go away too. And when you're done, you press D, and this will automatically calculate the score for you. So this shows that since white has all of this territory, white's the winner of this game. And so let's say instead you wanted to play with a friend on a different computer. Then what you would do is you would run the Go client and Go server. And basically what that does is it hosts a server on your computer using your IP address. So for example, this is my IP address. And you put that into both the client and the server. And you run it through your command prompt. So first you have to change the path variable to reflect the location of your of the project, and then you can first run the server. So this command prompt is running the server, and then you open another command prompt, and that'll run the client. So again, you have to change the path to where the folder is. Now you can run the client. So this one will pull up the client. Now if you had another laptop, you would do just run the client on the other laptop using your IP address. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to run them both on the same laptop. So I open another command prompt. And I run the client again. Now what this does is creates two players. They're both connected to the same server, and when the first player starts, the first player is black, so it waits for the other player to start the game as well. Now you can see that both windows show it's black's turn. Now the left one is black because that one connected first, so that one can make moves as black. The other window can make moves as white. Now you see when it's black's turn, white can't make moves, and then when it's white's turn, black can't make moves. So just like any other game, you can only move for yourself. And again, when both players decide to pass the turn, it moves to the removing stone stage, and at the end of that, it'll calculate the score again and show who won. So that's my game. That's my Go project. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.